Water Supply, Department of Water Resources. And then today I am representing the Director, Department of Water Resources. Before going deep, I have to, for the first time, thank DIAB Group and Gambia Future Now for helping the Gambia to bring spare parts for hand pumps. For a long time, we don't have spare parts in the country, but now we are getting spare parts through Gambia Future Now and DIAB Group. Therefore, we thank you very much. Today, we have area mechanics from different parts of the country who came to attend this occasion. The first guy is called Lamin Fati, Keba Fati, from Jara Central. He is the area mechanic responsible for the repair and maintenance of hand pumps in the whole of Jara. That means LRR East. The second one is Mamadi Tarawale. He is the area mechanic for Fuladu West and Fuladu East districts. That means around Bansan area. He is the one responsible for the repair and maintenance of hand pumps in those areas, CRR South. The second one is called Alaji Jawo. He is from CRR North. He is responsible for the maintenance of hand pumps in the whole of CRR North. That is Alaji Jawo. The next one is called Lamin Fati. He is from West Coast region. He is responsible for the repair and maintenance of hand pumps for the western part of West Coast region. Then the other one, Mr. Alaji Silla, is the area mechanic for Basse area. That means he's from Sabi. He is responsible for the maintenance of hand pumps for URR South, from Fatoto up to Sarebojo. That's why he is here today. Then the other one is called Alaji Toure. He is responsible for the maintenance of hand pumps from Pasamas right down to Sandu. Then he is in charge of all the three districts' maintenance, repair and maintenance of hand pumps. The other mechanics is also Mr. Sanya. Mr. Sanya, he is from Buyam and he is responsible for the maintenance of hand pumps for eastern part of West Coast region. From Kalaji up to Block, he is in charge of the maintenance of hand pumps. We are expecting the representative from Farafenye and from Kiang and from Jokadu. They are coming tomorrow. Unfortunately, they were late to attend. But this program drew area mechanics from all over the country so that we are going to participate in the repair of hand pumps for the whole of Gambia. Thank you, Mr. DIAB Group, and thank you, Gambia Future Now, for helping the Gambian people to repair their hand pumps. Thank you very much.
Maybe Mr. Jabi would be the moderator for this activity. So I must take permission from you before I say anything. Yes, I will say a few words in English, and then I will also switch to one of the local languages for the benefit of our, area mechanics, whom most of them are illiterate. Yeah, okay. Thank you very much. I say good morning to, it's afternoon time now. Good afternoon to our guest from Germany, Mr. Franz and Mr. Carlos. They have been long-standing partners for the Gambia, and most especially for the Department of Water Resources. Some years ago, we found out that there have been a lot of broken hand pumps across the country, and we know that the water is never sufficient, despite the fact that government is doing all it can to make sure that its citizens have clean, potable drinking water. But again, also these hand pumps, they go a long way to supplement or to complement, the existing water systems in the communities. So, and they are used for several, uses. Therefore, we found it very, fitting to ensure that these hand pumps are actually in good shape and they are also operating. But we noticed that most of them, they are broken, and then now communities don't have where to buy spare parts. And again, also the only available spare parts were not quality spare parts, so they easily got spoiled when they are used. So we thought that probably we will also embark on the maintenance of these hand pumps. We piloted the first phase with 100 hand pumps, and then we made a second phase for 300 hand pumps, but that was mainly centered around the North Bank region and CRR North. Afterwards, we noticed that a huge number of hand pumps across the country were not functioning. So we decided, to work with the Gambia Future Now to ensure that they provide the spare parts. And after having a dialogue with them, they also did their bit, and they came back to us and they said, now we are ready and we will support the Gambia. We will complement government's effort to maintenance at least over 2,000 local hand pumps across the country. So, and the idea is to have 2 area mechanics for each region, and then provide mobility for the area mechanics for the period they are doing the maintenance services. We'll also provide fueling for the motorbikes to ease the mobility, and again also supply them with the spare parts, the broken spare parts. Also, we feel that there is a need to also have toolboxes. Although most of the mechanics, they have toolboxes, but some of them, they don't have all the required, kits that they need in the toolbox. So we decided also to get them some very relevant, tool parts that can be used for the period. And again, also, the charity or the NGO is going to also pay for the services for every hand pump that is being repaired by the area mechanics. So in essence, it's going to be completely free for the communities. The communities don't have to pay anything. But again, also, that will not stop us from working with the Department of Water Resources, such that we will train, or we will do a refresher, training with the water committees, and again also to encourage them for the sustainability, because this one has come, but it's one-off. So now they must put a good shape in place to ensure that when these hand pumps are broken now, they would be in the position to repair them by themselves. So that would be a very important step, because otherwise the sustainability becomes a problem. So, and we want to thank the Department of Water Resources. We have an MOU with them, but we are very much also thankful to them, because they also support us through the Ministry of Finance for the duty waivers for the spare parts. Since the spare parts are here, but they are meant for the communities, and they are also for free for the communities. So they help facilitate, the duty waiver processes through the Ministry of Finance. So on behalf of government, on behalf of the beneficiaries, I want to thank the Gambia Future Now very much for coming up with this laudable initiative and support for the Gambian people in order to complement government's effort. I once again thank you very much, and I would now switch to the local language for maybe a minute or two. Yes. To talk to our area mechanics. Thank you very much. Adika doko ke fanna jamal bari wati sorota nataje ko Gambia jang na ñin nka fo ñin kolongol mene local pom FRG kolongol e jamal be je tiñatale ado ñin pompolu ñin kolongol akuma batale katun jio wo nene mansi man sakunda ba katakane e be kolbe ke kam bari ita be sotondi no la wati kilin so ibajala ko say bawo ñin kolongol sinta adon ibe tamandi kan ni i panata e ñanta dépan nolale pour ka système dolu makoy kato ñin sola système olu wati dolu nintilo manna aka koleale wati dolu fana ni a panata janning aka dada ko di jamale ka keji adon aka wato ta so nataje ko dala kumata le pour nga ñin kolongolu repair isaje hannata o ji bunda dolu be tama kam bari ñin do fana ni atamata ibajala abe wo dola abala lifespan jampandilal abala sima kafulale yo hani wo fanan niata tiñata janning abe dadala hani say molsi continue no e kanyin dolu fanan e ke munafang nyin local pompol so folo nata nga pompi kemele dadanu nata pilot do fanan ke nga pompi keme sama dada bari wo be keta no not bang ma fangola aning CRR not ma fangola bari sa nata je ko je damma ma nyim pompol soto pompol be siare banko kan adun ka parcel soto akoleatal ning parcel soto ta fanam parcel sifa men ka soto ate kela coming original parcel so ni ya dada wati sutundin drong ay tinya ya dada wati sutundin ni ameta molu men ya lon ko iba dada ka i fanan ka pasile iba fala ko nyiwo ka ya dada no la ya abandonde so woleto ka cha nata ke nyinu nata fonye ko silang ntol fanan be wakil lale be pompi wuli fula waranto men siata woti mbe wala joran wala nyini lale nga sambanam pour ka dada banko be kan so sain motorcycle be sannale pour region wo region mbe area mécanique fula soto la jele yo nga kelewol fanan dolu soto men ya lon ko area mécanique sol si sulala nga lonne kelewol soto le bari tumando bato kele dol be je jamal be je wolu fenkere je itinyatale yo so sayin fanan area mécanique ning ale pompe dada mbal jola ntol le bal jola wo songola yo bari ate kela nak coming al ning sate molu ka ke nyamen al ning sate molu ka nyo cha nyame ate kela wo nyam ha bawo mbe tamarango dilal adum mbe kelewol dilal mbe jorangol fanan dilal so sayin nyinu yalon ne ale wolu chaaj albe chaaj te woto woto caajte woto bari nak ñanta itol kal jolum menna fana ndol bal jola menna ate wo sila bawo ndol lebe jorangol dilal ya understand itolu alke caaj jorangol la anin dokuwo ndol nak abe kala dokuwo damale ka ndol lebe jorangol dilal ndol lebe tamarango dilal bari ku kilim fana lafta wo fana e senia yalo ñing dokuwo ñing wati lebal yo wo wato kono albe motorcycle ol use la bari nin doko banta motorcycle ol be tala la ngana pak katu doko nyina ke fenko nyimbe kala continue ko wolete bari nin motorcycle ol tuta molu bulu askeno ye tinya adu motorcycle da jaw yatal ka motorcycle sanka maintenance ka maintain ibe gasoil kala je wato wat wo fanam fenne me alon ko amang ke fenti mo nti men sambano so wo kan wato men albe doko kala motorcycle be taralal bulu bari nin doko banta bawo projet ko lam nin projet ko la wato banta me motorcycle lol talale den nin joran ko tengol nata pour ka dum projet do ko no ko te ngal commande nga han o banyame ngana nga han o wale wo nyam because yalo iko surwal ko word gar yego ko ne abe datila ay senea pour mobe ya faham wala kato ni wonte do ko si keno projet ko e banga fo motorcycle nyuru wo kay ye mol fenkele ye mol do hunde ye motorcycle fenkele ikatete bari yalo wo manke kukutate ntolto kato nga jele wo amanke nyim projet ko dama projet jamal ka wo sifa kele ni tamarangol samana ni wato banta ye tamarangol londi ni wato sita kote ke pour do ko e continuer na yo samana yo sayin na luntangol bile to nyanta sayla ngalon wato man siya bake man la fi diamo e jamfa ay tambe nyinna bake yo sayin bamurundi la Mr France kan ni ate diamo ta den chiamano ngalon e bela molu maybe mo killing o fula fanan so la chance la o itol fanan ye diamo ha den sina ta ngata bagasol jibe den nimbota la ngata motorcycle fanan jibe itol me samana jang ibe wodulato jana because ila kaytol fanan man pare demande pour rek ha wala tina baraka bake ala baraka ngal be konton ala la moyri nyima ka ala baraka
ñina mo area mécanique oti alaji touré atele bota wulli atele sainte atele ka pompol dada wulli anin sandu wulli east wulli west anin sandu atele ko pompol be dada ñindo mamadi tarawalle ate bota bansan area fuga atele ka pompol dada kabo bire jana birikama ba kata bula fo fo farato awol fuladu west atel ko pompol bedada mamadi tarwal barabe sirim bansan membo ka wol mu keba fati atel mo area mécanique de kabo pakal ba kana fo jara soma den atel mo area mécanique atel ko pompol bedada atom keba fati barabe steering japinel indo alaji touré alaji amisilla atel mo area mécanique oti basse area to amunta atabe steering sabile bari basse banko area mume be atel ka pompol dada amunta basse south URR south atel ko pompol dada Alaji Ami Silla. Nindo membo ko Bakari Sanya. Kabo kallaji kata fo block pompolu atele kedada. Atomo Bakari Sanya barabe steering kankuntu. Membo ka warmu fenkede Lamin Fatit atabe steering Farba Bantan baratel ka pompol dada combo east, combo south, combo central atel kol be pompol dada amunta Brikama area mume be pompol atel ke dada. Membija warmu Alaji Jawo atabota CRR North barabe steering kol kundale atel ka pompol be dada kababirin same pochong kata bula fo balangar atel kol pompol dada atel responsible tawala nim programme o kon atel bol pompol be dada den modol bije men manna men be ko men be kersule wala be pompol dada la pour kabo balangar kata fo jana fo Iliasa atel bo pompol dada barate leta dumandi do fana bije membe jokadu pompol dada la kana fo lo wanyomi baro fana leta dumandi anin kian is kian west kian central o fana samal bina o fana leta dumandi bara munta banko nyum programme banko belama banko bela pompol la dada nyum programme kon den wala atuna Gambia man sekunda to yala mbe diab group anin Gambia future now mbe thank you very much pour yeni fonko joran men naati kedi Gambia la free ka pour ka sate mo la pompol dada. Mr. Frank, thank you very much. Mr. Governor, thank you very much, partner. Good. Okay. Mr. Frank, Mr. Dia Group, my colleagues, Gambia Future Now. Actually, we have done the distribution of spare parts per region. This here is for Lower River region. The second one is for CRR. Third one is for West Coast. Yes. And you have North Bank, and then you have URR. Then here you have 100 parts to be repaired per region, 100 pumps. 2,100. Yes, 2,100 hand pumps will be repaired throughout the country. And then we have distributed it now per region. But totally, we are going to repair 2,100 hand pumps all over the country. These are the repair kits. These are spare parts which are absent in the country totally. There are no spare parts for this in the country for the last 10 years. And here you have the centralizers. The fast running items are here, and that is also a repair kit for another region. But in total, we are going to repair 2,100 hand pumps all over the country.
Spare parts.
Yes, the spare parts we have here are the chains. We have the repair kit first. You have the chains. You have the roller bearings. We have the roller bearings. We have check nuts. We have centralizers. And we have rubber bearings, roller bearings as well. These are the centralizers. These are the centralizers. These are the road couplings. And these are the check nuts. Then the basic spare parts for hand pumps are all within this supply. We therefore thank DIAB Group and Gambia Future Now for the laudable effort they have done to complement Gambia government's effort to assist the Gambian people, rural people, to repair their hand pumps. We thank them very much on behalf of the government of the Gambia. and Ministry and the Department of Water Resources. We thank their group, Gambia Future Now, extensively. Thank you.
Sorry,
Huh? Oh, okay.
Are you making talk? So sorry.
No.
You can continue because I thought we make it like an overhanding.
Yes.
So I give you the
Okay.
tool
Okay.
one of the mechanics.
Mechanic.
So maybe you are on the wrong side.
Okay.
Go there. So then.
This one is like a presentation.
Yeah. Okay. So on behalf of your group, now I overhand the work to Gambia Future Now, and together with DWR, they are responsible for the controlling of the spare parts of repairing of 2,200 wells in Gambia and through the 10 area mechanics. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Aka kontaan to baake dia group anin Gambia Future Now toyala ebe jorangon nin kele konko jorangon men nyanta kal pompe de darante anin kelolu ebe di la Department of Water Resources la pour bari wala be marala ni pompe wuli fulo ni dadama ha aka la kontaan to baake pour ka jorangon hano ba Water Resources. Thank you.
Okay.
And the overalls, you want
Oh yes. So yes, so we can give it out to
Each of
you can
it is mechanic.
You can present it here
yes.
first.
Sure. Hi. Let's hold it like that.
That, okay. Ala tanyu falandila la overall pour nalbe do ko la kolonto nalbe do ko la kolonto al ci karinin ding dung pour alla joran kanatinya kelel fanal ci mabo dulal sodo each of them can take one mo kliena kilin kam
Check that.
Thank you. Si afolo salam alaikum la folo. Safo governor ay anela luntangol e mbeni mbarla be tenku la bake ka kafu na ka do ko nyol men na yang ma be ni mbarla e be bota ya ina ta yang kanani be ngoto na boss babe sirin ala jabi men mu wata tangi wata resort la kebati yang ngani mbara because ati telle kera saboti ka nyin ko dintella pour fana ngadi banku tolla lafta kamen foje dron ñino wata kabo governo la karabla tawabul la kanabla wata resource la ye ntelu ye sasile ilata na ye fengo dina ko ngata di marol la oto mbe na kafanyo wal be dal la ya dina nyamena mbe dal na mbe ya futani o nyama ngadi ye futa marol la nyamena men laftala ye futala o nyala because ni ay ngani senu wala de molla wa asiake do manke man ngoti de bar ngamel alba fam la do wande okay governo ay ngani senu wala ta aya itanyu la nyu falang ye ngani senu wata ya di molla itul fana hal ni wakilta ka dintulla ka fako ngai ay nyanta fatala molla ba nyanta fatala mol minna ndel fana menna mol dan la nga kata ni bagasol ay futa nyanta fatala menula e fana nga bénéfice sotoje because mutako ndelen na fan ningo men nyanta sotla mbo sotla ni bulu ni fana nyanta na fa men sotla jola karola mbe na mol danda nga mbe akata e o fana nga na fa soto lafta ka wala itani do safo al nimbara ala barka sa tan do woni assalamu alaikum okay okay mara musara ngolu comme governo nyanayre governo ke governo siarar bo kenya nya sabuyi gambia ke hakati kitim pompo bagasunu ay mankere serebe ga bagasunu ko amasa governo siarar ado jaman tibabu ndame mekitellaga bo adi nyaga alla na ya demande diti ila tika kamede be wutu jamana kedi nanti ina ona demande kinia bo ho ga ere nyaka yakinga ere mekan kun nyani nangay watar so soronga bo oya hay me kamere bo ila koyo nanti ona daga pombu benu de bu benu tankarage de benke ere yandi ke ere yandi tankarage de be kum menu yanda kana be suna hay ana daga de benu sembe gantidi anga to nda sembe ndidi ona try na idema yi pompu ku daban mo ben bo gada hibe ko malinga kana ni kenya ni kay igala bagage ko kinu ko be ga sagoy ko na tray be sugadi anna tray igala bagage kina ngam aga nganta kino no ko be an kino ngani aga nganta kino mo be an kino ke an kino ke modi nakya ko malli nga kanani nganda da kanwari inshallah
ñu si process yi handing over bi Mr. Jabi ku fi teewal director water resources ñu la nuyu ñu ngi nuyu area mechanics yi ñu ngi nuyu itam suñ partners yi jógee Germany léegi nii fu mu nekk nii yi ñooy motorcycle yi nga xam ne ni yooyu lañ jënd pour area mechanics yi fukki motorcycle la région bu nekk ñaari area mécanique bàyyi yi nii la ñoo use pour def liggéey bu nga xam ne ni moom la gars yi war a def yo nga même fono wala mu ñinti ko ñinne mo motorcycle lol de nga même faale motorcycle tandem area mécanique tang region fula yo so sain ibe ñi motorcycle lol use la pour kata ka doku oke yo bari ni pareta projet ko be nyaa ni pareta ñi motorcycle lol be murundi lale den nim project do fanan nata nsi murundi kote ke pour ka continuer doku wala katum projet ko design ta wala nyama ning mo manke motorcycle ka san wate amanke fen easy ringote yo wala tina this time around ngake wo nyama yo mal tentula mbal jeyla ali alla wato membula ka bonam basse ka bonan dulalto kana fo jang yo jabi fanan director to yala mbal tentula mbal jeyla katum altol fanan ali kataku jamal lekeje yo ni wonte nun den nun do ko nyin sikeno bari asi ngatan na ko sotonole yo bari sain mbawo niata nin kumu jaabile mu water resources la dictionary ñing kolongol be dawoda han pompo be dawoda e jelonne adu atele area mechanical train yo sayna ñi mu doko wolti Gambia doko wolem banko doko wolem nal tata parsol men be dila anin ko abe tamandi la ñamen mbesi wakiri nga tamandi go ñama kato ñing fenko aman jari moye kodo jibe je be men soto laje bari ibe dunia men soto laje anin lakira men soto laje wole kumayara kato jiwo domanding adoyata ñamanyarande ni adi hadama dingola an munam fen jamale beje adu ñim fanansi bunda jama yeleno ñin tal balla la doku kote ngol la bari ka ñin doko ke pour ka molum makoy ka dobal makoy bawo wole bata taki ji kuwoto amang altol kumpa amang mo kote ngol fanan kumpa woto nsi wakili nga jeko ntol bele tamu ñinti adu momo nata ka bulo ka fuji aben tolle makoy kam yo masakunda bela katakuwol ke kanne water resources bela katakuwol ke kanne bari ita be ke nola fo nga mol soto fanan men yalon koy be bulo du na mol koto pour ka molu makoy yo so wokan mbal tentula mbal jayla bitun tomen tutaje ntol nin al nin jabi be wo work la out yo masingolu men yalon ko ibe masingolu borindino la ke samba katu nya masingolu ngela nomba pilesol dada ngela lansinolu abe ani insurance so wolu sa samba men yalon ko fanam pour ka borindi kata foyla fenkol si kolya si ferol ke be transport la nyamen pour foye futela ila tundolto bagage wolu fanan ferol be landilale nin jabi anin director be kacalale den be bagage wolu futandilal ma nyame wo fanan si fenke ku kilim fana wo kumata le mbe wo fana emphasize yalon laftale comme ne ale dawoda maintenance wo sate wo nyin be fenko nyebe day kulol di lal ale wo nyebe day kulol di alkalola isa fi sate woto je kadu nyebe dayo nafa jama leba kono a keso lembang a jambo lembang a sulo lembang a fato lembang son laftale pour ka molu kango nganya pour isi nyebe dayo ya fi dulal to tare wala atina atekela kese jamaati wo nyama bar ni moli ya dati askeno mo dol fanansi feroje adum ye bulal noma pour kake so nga nyebe da kesol sotole wala fanan nim baga solo be dilal sate wolto ine nyi nyebe da kesol fanan binala so wo kan ngal tentu ngal jay media fanan ngal tentu ngal jay katun fengo fen jeta anin fengo fen moyta alto le asindi molma ala baraka bake ngal konton ngal tentu ngal jay ala baraka go waron na era mi kadi kebaani men kadi ala jabite e alma mela nyaato alma nyama la nyaato kila ba harmoto projeto alma samra nyaato to abol min fanana ta ya rabbi alma nyi melan tema badi ya men ben tema alma taala kila ba harmoto akono do bani falo sallallahu alaihi wasallam
on jarnama men beltima menen area mécanique leydi ndi fof beltima on etima kanko go wano etima ala jabi o etima laamu waɗi golle muɗum e bawgal muɗum fof min beltanima projet ganduɗo ballangal e leydi he kala ɓiɗɗo leydi hande na wondi e caɗele ndiyam ɗum ɗo hay goto wawa ɗum waɗan hoore mum ko laamu tan he Allah wawi ɗum waɗan e ndiyam he moƴƴere yimɓeɓe so ɗum noon ɓe ñaagui en enen fof ndenden garden bagage gadda ɗo ko adda ko ɗo ɗum en wawa ɗum sod en wawa ɗum fewnanko e meɗen ko Allah he nelaɗo meɗen goto fof no ɗaɓɓitana hoore mum baraji ɗum noon onon jomaɓe galleji ɓe e jomaɓe ceeje ɓe gueto ɗon ballon area mécanique ji ɗi wota en hersin gardiɓe meɗen ɓe pour ɓe mbawa en wallude ha gallo ɗen yarano foti yarde ni inchallah min beltima ɗum jarama